Hello everybody, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing video of this Acer Predator Helios 300. So it comes in a big box like this, weighing at about 9.4 pounds. Before we start, you want to make sure your seals are not broken, just to be sure you're getting a brand new box and not an open box. So here we have this adapter and a power cord. A hard drive cable for a future upgrade. Comes with screws. Now in this envelope, here we have is a setup guide. And then a warranty card. And a quick user guide with some stickers. A nice hologram logo at the front. A nice cloth case. As I mentioned, so this laptop is about 14¼ inch length, 10¼ inch width, and the thickness is about 1 inch. This weighs about 4.8 pounds. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. More unboxing videos to come. Peace out.